In this video, you will get an overview how to test the learning program in Lane's Zoom app. To test the learning program, get to My Programs. In the Program Builder, select the program to test, click Publish, that the least changes will be published, get to Schedule, create assignment, select the program from the list, click Mark in Zoom, select the trainer, it will be you probably, or trainer who will test, and the scheduled program for testing appears on the list. Click the name of the program. You will get to the dashboard. Select Join the training, and you will be redirected to Zoom. Open in Zoom Meetings. Remember that your account should be connected with Lane's. Click Apps and get to Lane's application. That's your learning program to be tested. Now you may select the bots. It can be bots and it can be interactive bots. Both of them can be helpful for testing the learning program in Lane's Zoom app. So select bots, as many as you wish, and select interactive bots, one of the collections, which is already created, and the number of the bots. So now your bots and interactive bots are added to the testing program. Click Start, take a look how the program looks like. You can use the button Next to get to the next stage of the program, to the next activity. For example, from the mini lecture slide to audio activity, you can test it. Moreover, you can manage in the learning content and you can take a look what's included, what activities. For example, you move to the next one to see the learning track, to try it. You can test the video. Click Next and you can test the polls. With the help of interactive bots, you will get the answers. So you can see how you will see it as a trainer when your participants, learners, will vote on the poll. You can try as well the brainstorm. Everywhere you can see interliner and the time, so you can test how much time you need for each of the stages, and if needed, you can change it, or instructional designer can change it. That's the example of how interactive bots shows the voting and as well brainstorming. You can test quiz activity, as well to see the whole process, the whole track. Again, interactive bots give the answers, so you may test it like that. In the test in the program, you can try Fishbowl and to find out how it will work. In this case, you may add the participants from bots or interactive bots. You click on the role and you add from the list. You can see the instructions, the legends, maybe something needs to be changed. So like from the fishbowl activity, you see what your participants will see. You can try exercise in teams, so how in the teams it will work out. As a trainer, you may click on the bot, not interactive bot, the bot, and you can try and test how the bot, the attendee, will fill in the form, for example, or answer the questions on the exercise, participating in the brainstorming activity in breakout rooms. So you can try from the inside yourself with the help of bot. Interactive bots, while that are giving the answers, and as well you may follow the idea, how it will be with the real attendees. So here you may see the interactive bots are giving the answers on the exercise. You may join the team and see the breakout room from the inside. The same you can do during the realistic training program. You may see as well the presentation ways, how you can share the results with your attendees. test the role-playing game with the same principle in the breakout rooms. So some of the bots are interactive and some of the bots are bots. So you may click on the bot and see from the inside. Or with the interactive bots, you can just see the visualize the way of how the attendees will have it. You may again join the team, see it from the inside the breakout room. You can try to rename the breakout rooms, the teams. And from the inside, joining the team, you can change the participants. Again, the same. So you're playing the whole scenario like it will be in the real training, in the real learning program. You may test how to present and share results with your attendees in the realistic training. It can be different options in Lane's Zoom app, as a summary, as for the teams, for the breakout rooms, as well as for the individual attendees in some of the activities. You can test your feedback form, probably to see how it looks like inside from the attendees view. If you click on the bot and you try to fill it in, or you can see the answers of the interactive bots. While you're waiting, you can scroll and as well take a look overview. If they completed the task with the green indicator, the same will be in the real learning program in Lane's Zoom app. And you can manage the time at the same time. Again, you can test different ways of how to share the results in a feedback form if it's not anonymous but it's open and you invite your attendees to discuss it. You may try some additional materials, as for example whiteboard, so you can see how it works out and is it okay, maybe it needs to be changed. You may try the table as well. So different options of the additional materials. When finishing, you may reset the training and all the results from bots and interactive bots will be deleted. So it will start over again when it's time for the real learning program. In this video, we've made an overview how to test learning program in Lane's Zoom app at the stage of implementation.